This topic will address the last two steps of the strategic management process. At the end of this topic, you should be able to explain the steps taken for strategy implementation and strategic control. For strategy implementation, there are 4 steps. The first step is to define strategic tasks. The strategic tasks articulate in simple language what a particular business must do to create or sustain a competitive advantage. Strategic tasks are defined to help employees understand how they can contribute to the organization, including redefining relationships for the parts of the organization. The next step is to assess the organization's capabilities. This is to evaluate the organization's ability to implement the strategic tasks. A task force is usually formed and interviews employees and managers to identify specific issues that help or hinder effective implementation of the strategic tasks. The results are summarized for top management. The third step is to develop an implementation agenda. The management decides on 3 actions. Firstly, how it will change its own activities and procedures. Secondly, how critical interdependence will be managed. What skills and individuals are needed in key roles. And thirdly, what structures, measures, information, and rewards might ultimately support the needed behavior. The outcome is a philosophy statement communicated in terms of value. The last step is to create an implementation plan. The top management team, employee task force, and others develop the implementation plan. The top management team then monitors progress of the implementation. The employee task force continues its work by providing feedback about how others in the organization are responding to the changes. The final step of the strategic management process is strategic control. It is a system designed to evaluate the organization's progress and correcting any discrepancies between the plan and actions. The control system must strike a balance between the efficient operations and flexibility. This is crucial as no plan is perfect and will encompass all possible contingencies. Strategic control systems include quantifiable performance indicators and budget goals which must be balanced and maintained, often making cuts in low-cost strategy firms.